Hey there, art explorers! Welcome back to the Art of the World, the show where we discover the coolest, craziest, and most creative art from around the globe. Today's topic? Art made from trash. Yep, you heard me. Some artists turn old junk into jaw-dropping masterpieces. Let's check it out. Okay, first, why would anyone make art from trash? Well, our planet has a big trash problem. Every year we throw away millions of tons of stuff. But some artists say, hey, don't toss that, let's make art instead. They're like eco-friendly superheroes, saving the planet one sculpture at a time. First up, Artur Bordalo, but you can call him Bordalo. This artist from Portugal creates huge animal sculptures out of trash. Look at this raccoon. It's made from broken bumpers, cans, and even old tires. His art has a big message. Take care of nature, or soon, all we'll have left is trash animals. Whoa, deep. Next, Gilles Cenazandotti. Say that 5 times fast. He walks along beaches, picks up plastic bottles, toys, and flip-flops, and turns them into amazing ocean animals. This shark, made from a comb, bottle caps, and a flip-flop. His art shows how trash hurts sea life, but also how we can fix it. Shark attack of cuteness. Next up, Makaon, the Japanese can-crushing genius. This artist takes ordinary soda cans, cuts them up, and folds them into unbelievable sculptures. Check out this dragon, made entirely from Coke cans. And this samurai helmet? Yep, that used to be your energy drink. Imagine chugging your soda. And boom, it's now a robot. Disclaimer, do not drink robots. En garde, trash warriors. All right, art explorers, what's your favorite trash masterpiece? Bordalo's animals, Cenazandotti's sharks, or Makaon's robots? Let me know in the comments. And if you try making your own trash art, tag me. I'd love to see it. Remember, one person's trash is another person's treasure. See you next time on The Art of the World. Keep creating.